thing does not look bad, bro. Alright gang, welcome back to the channel, bro. Today, I'm gonna start my attempt to finish this dang car. Right. Focus. No run now, boys. No run. Progress, gang. I don't think I'm gonna cut and buff the entire car right now. I think for time's sake, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I think that was the last run. Unless like later out in the sun somewhere I find another one. But it would look freaking dope as hell to do the whole car. I mean, look at the difference. You see the orange peel right there? And then boom, look at it. Crystal freaking clear, bro. It would be hella sick to do the entire car, bro. It would. But that's gonna take me a while. Like, that's gonna take me a good while. And I think at this point, it's better just to get this thing wrapped up, get it out. I need to wash it, I need to wax it, and then from there, it should be ready. Okay, look at the difference, man. This is the lower bumper. You see the amount of orange peel, and then look at this quick once over. Look at the once over I did right here. It's like freaking glass, my boy. Ah! So, I can't though, bro. I cannot sit here and take any more time on this car. We gotta get this thing out so that it can be enjoyed. It's not a show car. I promise though, guys, I promise I will come back to it and we will cut and buff the entire car later. Maybe over winter break, maybe like when it's not a time where we're really gonna be wanting to drive it. We'll come back to it, cause I also need to buff trap all over again too. It's been, I think it's like 2.5 years now that trap's been painted, so need to do both of them, but right now, man, I'm trying to get this out. I gotta do something to this. I got that fuel cell I still need to install in the LTB Civic. I got a lot of stuff, so we gotta get this thing out, get it ready. I knew I wanted to hit that little valence part right there and see what it looked like, and man, it looks good. So yeah, pretty much the entire car needs it, but I'm not gonna do it right now, so it is what it is. Let me get these taillights thrown in. All right, got this thing sprayed down. She is clean. This thing does not look bad, bro. There's a little water left on it, but we'll check in once we get to the house and all this water's gone. This joker is clean, bro. All right, gang. Got us some food, and we are on the way back to the crib, man. F20B runs smooth, bro. F20B runs really smooth. That fresh transmission we put in shifts great. She works like a dream, bro. Everything works like it should. It just always needed that freshening up, man, on the exterior. And I think we're just about there. Man, this thing looks amazing, bro. It looks really good. Really freaking good. I'm not mad at all, bro. This thing came out really good. I just gotta wipe down the rest of these water spots and get a coat of wax on it, and I still need to paint these side skirt pieces, and that'll be it. So this is pretty much gonna wrap this dang thing up, bro. I am super stoked that this car is back together. Really, really glad that I was able to jump out here this morning and get this thing pieced back together. Get the little imperfection that I wanted to get knocked out, took out of the paint. We got this thing washed. Now all I have to do is put a coat of wax on, which I probably won't do today, but I got all the time in the world, bro. The car is chilling in the shop. There's nothing getting to it or anything like that. And yeah, we'll get it. The good thing is that wet sanding definitely shows that I can make this paint job look like a freaking show car quality. I'm choosing not to right now. And I know a lot of keyboard people are gonna talk junk, and I apologize if it offends you that I don't wanna do it right this second, but the car is painted, it's got plenty of clear on it. It's not gonna hurt it to sit for a little while and be driven or whatever as is. So that's what we're gonna do with it. We will revisit it later and spit shine this thing out to be a perfect paint job, but it's crazy, guys. The amount of money that you put into these budget jobs and how good they can turn out is freaking insane. I mean, look at these freaking taillights, bro. All I did was buff them and they look like glass, bro. Simple stuff. When I posted this and it went viral, the guy on Facebook said, budget paint job with a whole shop. Yeah, I got a shop now. Yeah, I'm gonna use it because I started out and with nothing in my parents' backyard, with no building, no concrete, no nothing. A lot of people, at least that stay in the city or in nice suburb areas, at least y'all have your parents' garage. Like my parents never had a garage, so I was just straight on the ground, dirt, whatever, raining all on me. Like you're having to do stuff that you knew you could get done within a day because it might rain and you don't want to be stuck in the rain working on the project. Like, man, I remember them times. So I'm out of it. I got this shop from hard work. So yeah, I use it. It's not fancy. It's bare minimum. It's concrete and a roof over your head. No insulation. Like, look at my arm, bro. I'm sweating. Like, I am freaking saturated in water. But I'm out of the elements. That's my biggest thing. And so for that, I'm truly blessed that I worked my way to get this. And yeah, I use it, but there's nothing fancy in here. It's basically a garage. It's just bigger. As a matter of fact, the garage sometimes is better because they actually have insulation in them, whereas this has just metal, so it gets scorching in this thing. Nonetheless, bro, I am happy that this thing is nearing completion. Man, these windows look so much better washed. Bro, so much freaking better. The car looks amazing. I'm happy. I know Nisha's gonna be so happy to drive this thing again. And yeah, that's kind of where we at, man. Next steps, I'm gonna do the waxing, and I'm gonna do scratching all of these old decals off. We're gonna do fresh decals. That's gonna help in the look of it. And we gotta paint the little trim at the bottom with the trim black. Simple stuff, bro. But once I throw the wax on, this car will be able to sit outside again, which is where I need it because I got something in mind that I'm trying to do really soon, and I need all the shop space. So that being said, bro, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Hope you guys found it somewhat enjoyable. If you're thinking about doing a budget paint job, man, I say go out, have fun. If you don't have a compressor, there are tons of folks doing budget paint jobs with spray cans. More Motorsports Garage, he's one of the bigger ones that does that. So there is no reason that you can't get out there and customize that project car like you want. That being said, bro, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I will catch you guys next time. Remember, respect all bills. Peace out.